Okay, now we're going to make the Tootsie Roll recipe in here. I'm cutting it in half because what if it's gross? I think I made these about 19 years ago just to try, but I really don't remember what they were like. So I did just half a cup of honey, quarter cup of cocoa, and a half cup of powdered milk, and I'll add the vanilla in a minute. So we'll see what happens. See if the kids eat them, and we can compare them to the real thing since we have them on hand. Okay, so this did something a little bit weird. I feel like it's kind of burning the chocolate, and it's supposed to get up to 255 hardball, but I'm only up to, what does it say, 225? And I might just take it off because I don't want to burn it anymore. So it might just be that I don't have enough ingredients in my pan, but I don't know. I know what I did wrong. You're only supposed to heat the honey up to 255 degrees. You're not supposed to add the powdered milk or the cocoa until after the honey is hot. So I don't know. Do I want to use another half a cup of honey as an experiment? I'm not sure. The other thing I wonder is it says to use non-instant powdered milk, but I'm going to assume this is instant powdered milk because you don't have to cook it. So I don't know if it would work anyway. Okay, what do you think about it?
It's burnt and bitter.
It's burnt and bitter. I guess another problem might be that I used cacao powder instead of cocoa powder. Is there really a difference? I don't know. I just got the cacao powder at the food storage store. So yeah, we kind of burned it and kind of ruined it. So that's unfortunate. I think I'm going to wait on making it again. So even though I basically ruined it by burning the cocoa and putting the cocoa and the powdered milk in too early, it is kind of pulling like taffy. It's kind of lumpy, but it's sort of working, but it tastes super bitter. So I feel like today was a little bit of a failure in new ideas for cooking with basic food storage. But I have to tell you one thing I do like is this Augustin Farms creamy potato soup, and we add some potatoes into it and some corn, and everybody really likes it.